Welcome to this 5-minute self-love affirmation meditation. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven for less stress and more peace. I invite you to make yourself comfortable and allow your eyes to gently close, allowing yourself to focus within. Become aware of your breathing. Just observe it. No need to judge or force it. Imagine each breath you breathe in. You breathe in a brilliant white light, filling your heart space and radiating bright white light from your heart. Breathe in the light, and with each breath out, all thoughts that no longer serve you and any tension is gently and lovingly being released. As you lovingly listen to the following words, all you need to do is relax and lovingly allow these words to override any thought patterns you currently have that do not serve you. Let's begin. I love myself. I attract love into my life. My heart is open and willing to accept love. I am happy and loving. My relationships are filled with love, joy, and happiness. I am filled with love and enjoy sharing it with all those around me. I create long-lasting relationships filled with joy and laughter. Receiving love comes natural and effortless to me. I enjoy giving love to those around me. I am grateful for the loving relationships I have. I feel supported by the universe. I love myself. Gently now allowing your eyes to open and move into your day or evening, feeling relaxed, positive, and loving towards yourself.